Yo yo, Revo from HJC here. Just going to do a quick demo of my S2000 with the new JD modified S2k Works Dragger exhaust. Bit of a mouthful, but it's a cracking bit of kit. So basically it's a custom exhaust these guys have made. Retails up £450 and that's everything supplied and fitted. See if we can get a view. I don't know how much you can see, but the quality of it is absolutely brilliant. So basically my spec to them was relatively quiet on idle, try and keep the neighbours happy, nice little burble, and sort of get louder and louder as you go up the rev range, and that's exactly what they've done. The tone of it is absolutely awesome. Never heard anything like it on an S2000. Not that I've heard many. Anyway, I'll stop rambling now and give you a quick demo. Other than that, car's totally standard. I've taken off the airbox lid and it's got the garage RD cut on. That's it. So we'll see if we can get a little clip. Alright, I'm trying to support the camera, get a little bit of an away video again. Okay, I don't know how well this will work, but we'll try and have a little drive by, see what we can do.